Hey guys and dolls, just wanted to give you guys a quick heads up on the ticker symbol CLOV for Clover Health. Now, Clover Health did actually have a lawsuit filed against them recently in the last few weeks. We did see a nice sell-off in that share price of about 30-40%. So guys, the Clover Health ticker symbol CLOV is actually corresponding in relation to Chamath Palihapitiya, as I like to call him. And he is a multi-billionaire. He's been on the side of the retail investors, people like me and you, everyday people that like to invest in the stock market versus those big hedge funds, banks, institutions, bonds, pension funds. And he actually has a very, very good reputation for himself. Now, there was actually a short seller attack that basically happened on Clover Health, and there was some information that was found that they had been defrauding some of their claims. So they are currently waiting for a court case, which is going to be happening hopefully later in this month. Now, guys, there has been a lot of speculation. There is a lot of rumor that it's going to be good, it's going to be bad. Clover have actually come out and they've defended everything that has been put in action against them, and they have said that this is absolutely ridiculous. These claims basically are absolutely, through speculation, they have been doing everything as regulation, and I do think that maybe it has been an overreaction in the market, so we might see a nice boost up in that share price recently. I haven't done a mass amount of research, but from what I understand in the situation, from the research that I've done in the last kind of 2 hours, then I do think that Clover Health is actually going to be here to stay. Chamath actually does think that this is a 10x investment opportunity, guys, and it has recently just come on as an IPO, went into a SPAC, and it did settle as a Clover Health. So guys, this is a 10x play opportunity. I'm personally going to be buying a small amount. It's a very high speculation stock, so you have to be very careful. It's very risky. Make sure to do all of your own research and due diligence on it. I don't want to get too technical with the fundamentals, but I know that a few of you have been asking me in the comments for my views on Clover Health. Right now, I do think that it is sitting at a nice strong support zone, especially if we can get it below $12. So again, I will be loading a few more on my boats if I do see this share price at any point going below that $12. Right now, it's sitting around that $12.50, so I'm happy to put a few little bits of my pennies into this play, and I am looking forward to seeing where this play goes in the coming weeks ahead. So I do think this is potentially, I can get about 50 to 100% back on my money in the short term, and I do see this as a $20 to $25 stock. So if they can actually defend this court case and everything does settle down, as you guys know, short sellers do like to take advantage of stocks, like when it happened with NEO, and Citron report came out and then they downgraded the price of NEO and we saw that big sell-off, and then the next week everything kind of came back up. Again, I do think sometimes that investors do this just because they're actually having a bearish momentum on the stock and they actually want to get a better price for themselves. They can then go long on the stocks. So make sure to do all of your own due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor. Put in a tiny allocation, like I said, of my portfolio into this. It is a very high spec, high risk, high reward play, and I will be just doing a short temperamental swing trade. So I'm going to be trading this just for a few weeks, catch a nice percent of upside, maybe about 25 to 50%, and then I'm going to start to pull out some of those profits, hopefully, if we do see a push in that share price. So guys, those are my thoughts on Clover Health. Just wanted to give you that as a new play, just give you a quick update. Make sure to do some research on it, guys. Don't just take my word for it and then buy it just because I said I'm going in with a small amount of position. Again, this is a very small amount of my portfolio, maybe about 1%, so again, it is quite small, but I just did want to give you my thoughts. And again, I do think that it is an overreaction. I think this company will be fine in the long term. I don't think that Chamath would obviously put his reputation on the line if this was a bad company, and he has been responsible, you know, for Virgin Galactic, which you guys know is one of my top 3 holdings in my portfolio. I've been invested in Virgin Galactic since it was below $20. I'm now up over 200% in that position, and it's one of my favorite plays. So again, without Chamath and people like Richard Branson, I would not be in those stocks. So I do have a lot of faith in him as an investor, and you guys know over the last 2 weeks I have kept talking about Open Door, and I have been recommending it on my buy zone anywhere below $26 to $25 and below, and I've been buying it up over these last 2 weeks as I keep showing you guys videos here every single day. And yesterday we did get new highs of Open Door, and that hit $35, so I'm up now about 45% in my position, which is absolutely amazing. And again, I don't think that he would put his reputation on the line because he is responsible for these big SPAC companies. So guys, those are my thoughts on Clover Health. I hope you guys stay safe today, have a safe day in the markets, have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you guys back on my channel soon for some more content on investing. Be sure to give this video a like if you did find any value, and hit that big red subscribe button because I can't wait to have you on this journey with me where we make money together. I'll see you guys soon. Take care.